Amar Singh Chamkila, the maverick maestro of Punjabi music. Amar Singh Chamkila, often referred to as the Elvis of Punjab, remains one of the most iconic and controversial figures in Punjabi music history. His raw and realistic portrayal of rural Punjabi life, combined with his unique voice and musical style, captivated audiences and made him a legend. Early life and background. Amar Singh Chamkila was born as Dhani Ram on July 21, 1960, in the village of Dugri near Ludhiana, Punjab, India. His upbringing in a modest family exposed him to the struggles and nuances of rural life, which would later become central themes in his music. 8. Education and early interests. Chamkila showed an early interest in music and was influenced by traditional Punjabi folk music. He learned to play the harmonium and dholki, two instruments that would feature prominently in his performances. Though initial struggles, before achieving fame, Chamkila worked various jobs, including as an electrician, to support his family. His passion for music, however, remained undeterred, and he continued to perform at local gatherings and functions. Entry into music. Chamkila's entry into the professional music scene was marked by his collaboration with the female singer Amarjot Kaur. The duo's chemistry and talent quickly caught the public's attention, and they became a sensation in the Punjabi music industry. 8. First breakthrough. Chamkila's first major break came with the release of his debut album, which featured the hit song Takui Te Takua. His raw, unfiltered lyrics and powerful voice resonated with the masses, particularly the rural audience. Though formation of the duo, Chamkila and Amarjot's partnership proved to be immensely successful. Their performances were characterized by high energy and a unique style that set them apart from other artists of the time. Musical style and themes. Chamkila's music was distinctive for its candid portrayal of issues such as extramarital affairs, substance abuse, and the challenges of rural life. His ability to address taboo subjects head-on made his songs relatable and popular, though often controversial. 8. Lyrical boldness. Chamkila's lyrics were unapologetically bold, addressing social realities that were often ignored or glossed over by mainstream artists. Songs like Pehle Lalkare Naal and Jat Di Dushmani exemplified his fearless approach to songwriting. Though musical innovation. Musically, Chamkila blended traditional Punjabi folk with contemporary sounds. His use of harmonium, dholaki, and other folk instruments, combined with his modern sensibilities, created a unique sound that appealed to a wide audience. Controversies. Chamkila's career was not without its share of controversies. His candid lyrics and outspoken nature often drew criticism from conservative sections of society. 8. Criticism and backlash. Many of Chamkila's songs were deemed inappropriate by traditionalists who felt that his music promoted immorality. This backlash, however, only seemed to increase his popularity among the youth and those who appreciated his honesty. Though legal troubles. At various points in his career, Chamkila faced legal issues due to the explicit content of his songs. Despite these challenges, he remained steadfast in his artistic vision, refusing to dilute his message. Tragic end. The promising career of Amar Singh Chamkila was tragically cut short on March 8, 1988, when he and his wife Amarjot were assassinated in an ambush while they were on their way to perform at a village in Punjab. The circumstances surrounding their deaths remain shrouded in mystery, with numerous theories but no conclusive answers. The murder of Chamkila and Amarjot remains one of the most baffling cases in the history of Punjabi music. Speculations range from personal vendettas to political motivations, but the true reason behind their killing has never been confirmed. Legacy. Despite his untimely death, Amar Singh Chamkila's influence on Punjabi music endures. His songs continue to be celebrated, covered by contemporary artists, and enjoyed by new generations of listeners. 8. Enduring popularity. Chamkila's music remains popular, and his songs are frequently played at Punjabi gatherings and celebrations. His ability to capture the essence of rural Punjab in his music has ensured his lasting appeal. Though influence on future artists, many Punjabi musicians cite Chamkila as a major influence on their work. His fearlessness in addressing social issues through music paved the way for future generations to explore and express similar themes. 15. Tributes and homages. Over the years, numerous artists have paid tribute to Chamkila through covers, remixes, and documentaries. His life and music continue to inspire, and efforts to keep his memory alive are evident in various forms of media. Amar Singh Chamkila's life was a blend of extraordinary talent, bold expression, and tragic end. His music, characterized by its raw honesty and innovative style, broke new ground in Punjabi folk music. Though his career was brief, his impact was profound, leaving an enduring legacy that continues to inspire and resonate. Chamkila's story is one of resilience, authenticity, and a relentless pursuit of artistic truth, making him a true icon of Punjabi music.